Hey, what's up? This is Phil from Video School, and today we have another Photoshop brush pack, another free pack that you can download if you are a part of our course. Here, I'm just playing around with some of the examples. We got some hard brushes, some soft brushes, some that look like highlighters that will be cool if you put it over text. Lots of great stuff going on, and as always, this is completely free if you are a part of our Photoshop course, so you can find it there today. It is already live, or should be live, and you can find it in the class. If you are using these brushes and you're creating artwork, tag us, post your artwork. We love sharing artwork from our students on Instagram or wherever in the course. We'd love to check it out. And if you are creating artwork with these brushes, all we ask in return for giving them to you for free is just let people know where you got it from Video School, and that would be great. And I'm going to tag the artist who created these amazing brushes in the description of this video. She is awesome. Big shout out to Celine for creating this artwork, or these brushes rather. And as always, if you're not in the course and you want to enroll in the course, when we launch these brushes, we are actually giving away the course completely free via the link in the description for the first few days. If you get to this after the first few days, that's okay. You can still enroll at a low price, and that helps us out as well. This is a great sort of brush that can work with calligraphy, and all of these brushes are completely customizable in terms of the flow, opacity, and all of that later on. You can even use these brushes with Procreate if you're editing or creating designs in Procreate. They can use Photoshop brushes now too. So thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the brushes and the course. Cheers.